Greetings from Singapore. I'm now at Block 448 Clementi Avenue 3 Market and Food Center. Also, next check it out. Only chicken, fish, and pork porridge. Long rolls up here. Get wonton fish soup. There's a Western fried chicken stall right here. Spaghetti, and look at that. Oh, near the area, you can see one place, so let's check it out. The market here. Chinese lanterns are up already. Hongkian Thai food. Three tomato. This is a Clementi branch. And that's a mapo lomi. You guys know there's a durian here. Uncle sent it. It looks pretty atas. From Pahang. Hainanese chicken rice. You know, this timing is a bit funny to eat the food, right? It's like 5 p.m. I mean, some of the folks, they eat the dinner early. From the leaf. Yeah, this is also in the townie, you know. Chicken rice, the favorite of Singaporeans. Snow Mount, Char Kway Teow, $6. No focus, $4, and that fried green pisang, banana. The 鱼州大排档, the fish soup guys, red super sky fish mix one. The fried prawn noodle. And we sell other stuff here. You know, the hawker center is where you find most of the delicious street food in Singapore, so come and try it out. In Singapore, they even have vegetarian options over here. Of course, there's no aircon, but you know, this is an open air kind of like concept, so not really hot unless you come at 12 p.m. I saw the juicy satay right there.